Okay.
SEAL X stealthily entered a nearby house, ascended to the second floor, and meticulously disassembled and reassembled the sniper rifle.
Yeah, okay, I know. Yeah, I have a lot of money. Yeah. Yeah, I'm paying the money. Don't worry. Okay. I will bring it to you. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Rose, it's not okay. The target has its spear. Hurry up! Come on! Hurry up!
Okay.
Then, he positioned himself, aiming at the enemy with precision.
Hey, she plays well.
Yeah.
Right?
What's up?
Hey,
Hey, let's you.
keep playing.
Do it.
Let me.
In a tough situation, Rose incapacitated two soldiers without engaging directly.
Hey, you guys, come here, play with me.
Look. Hey, baby. Yeah. Alright. What's up? That's the girl.
Hey, come here with me.
Rose, that's right.
Come here. I don't swimming. Hurry.
What's that? Okay. Shoot it.
Knowing the attacker, Dr. Lee and his team opened fire, but one was eliminated by Rose.
So, let's go.
Dr. Lee pursued, but was also defeated by Rose before attacking another soldier. He quickly seized a gun from a fallen comrade and attacked Rose.
Yeah, it's me. Hello. I'm being just fine. Come here now. Help me. Okay. Okay. We come now. Alright, here's a gun. Let's go. Okay. Alright, let's go.
Additionally, he pursued Rose and her companions in another base, chased by the SWAT team.
Oh.
A dramatic and intense chase unfolded.
Alright, okay. Right, go! Okay! Alright, this way. You do the outside. Okay.
With the increasing number of robbers, SEAL X had to act methodically.
Go!
Alone, SEAL X utilized all his skills to gain the upper hand. Only the leader remained, who managed to escape from the balcony. SEAL X swiftly pursued, determined not to relent in the deadly confrontation.
Where do you run?
A hand-to-hand combat ensued, with blows and kicks exchanged, neither side gaining the upper hand. Ultimately, evil could not triumph, and SEAL X emerged as the victorious hero in this confrontation.
Alright,
Tony
so
introduces
let's
the
get
weapons
to
in
work.
front of
Okay,
SEAL
come
X,
those guns
playfully
are very
teasing him.
important, right? So, you be careful. Alright, careful. You understand? Be careful. Yeah, okay. This gun is very powerful.
Tony grabs a gun and calls for
Alright,
SEAL
so
X to follow
come
him.
Alright, let's go.
In a certain base, Boss Dr. Lee and Assassin Rose are gazing out the window. Robbers are standing guard everywhere, maintaining tight security. Tony and SEAL X rush to the criminal's location,
not here.
observing the boss's base before getting ready for action.
Right, move.
SEAL X is about to charge forward, but Tony stops him,
Come on, just
telling
there.
him to stay while
Let
he
me
gets
go.
closer to the base. Tony takes out a piece of wood and the two signal each other, before Tony throws the wood far away to distract the guard.
Look.
Tony quietly approaches a robber and takes him down silently, though with some difficulty. SEAL X watches Tony and feels a bit frustrated. A robber, noticing his missing comrade, goes to search. He sees Tony and tries to shoot, but SEAL X kills him instantly from a distance. All the criminals upstairs hear the gunshot and quickly rush to check the situation.
Go.
Tony still
What's up,
can't
bro?
take down the stubborn robber. SEAL X knocks him out.
Very good.
two SWAT members slowly move inside, searching for the criminals.
Hey, Tony, go.
Two robbers rush downstairs. SEAL X.
Hey, what happened?
The assassin runs out and asks the robber,
Hey,
who
boss,
points downstairs
what's
at the
going
SWAT
on?
officers.
They destroy our people.
Boss, what should we do now?
Oh, you guys,
Dr. Lee
get back.
quickly
Move.
orders his henchmen to split up
Okay,
and act.
let's go. Hey, you, move.
The two SWAT members cautiously move upstairs. A robber raises his gun, while Rose quietly sneaks away. SEAL X and Tony split up to search for the criminals. A robber unexpectedly fires at the two SWAT members causing them to die.
Hey, stop.
Assassin Rose raises her gun and aims at the SWAT officers. The robber sees the SWAT officer sneaking away and charges out firing at Tony, who hides in fear. SEAL X and kills the remaining robber. Tony
Very
praises
good.
SEAL X.
Hey,
Yeah,
good job.
nothing.
SEAL X accidentally injured. It's none other than the assassin.
Hey, nothing. Chase it. Hey, are you okay? I'm fine.
Dr. Lee observes everything from upstairs. Furious, he raises his gun and shoots, injuring Tony.
Boss,
Run.
Rose stands guard to help boss
Boss,
Dr.
you
Lee
go first.
escape. SEAL X tries to crawl down and Rose and Dr. Lee.
boss,
They
run.
fire back. X kills Rose. Dr. Lee, having lost all his henchmen, quickly flees.
Hey, okay? I'm fine.
SEAL X helps the severely injured Tony back to the SWAT base for treatment.
Hi. Thank you so much.
Tony continues to
nothing,
praise
nothing. Good
SEAL
job.
X
Okay.
for doing a
Let's
great
go.
job.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Then open the door and wave to SEAL X.
Hi. Psych. Okay, goodbye. I have work. Nice.
The two sides talk back and forth.
Hi, yeah. Oh, hi. What's up? We went to the toilet.
The junior and Dr. Lee stood outside the door, looked in and saw the suitcase. The junior opened the door and entered, then closed the door so hard that Dr. Lee's hand was trapped. He screamed in pain. The junior told Dr. Lee to be quiet. He approached the suitcase. Jack has finished going to the bathroom. The door opens. Jack takes the suitcase and moves upstairs by the elevator. The board fell. Dr. Lee was startled. The two quickly followed.
No, I don't know. Today.
Jack opened the door. He happily greeted his teammates.
Yeah, I
sit
got
down.
work.
Jack placed the suitcase on the table.
Yes, thank you. What is this? Yeah.
They chatted happily, asking about each other's situation.
Yeah. So, be careful. Ready? Yeah, okay. Let me check.
SEAL X opens the suitcase and looks. Inside was full of stacks of
What's so
money.
much money?
SEAL X asked about the
I don't
money.
understand.
The two
What's
SWATs
so much
happily
money?
answered him.
So much.
The elevator opened.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Lee and his junior quietly entered.
Boss, nobody.
Go.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Jack invited his teammates to go out to relax. They stood up to prepare.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hurry up.
The junior and Dr. Lee are still moving. SEAL X closed the suitcase and put it away. Ben opened the door. The junior panicked and ran into another room to hide.
Let's go. Hold up.
Yeah.
All three SWATs happily walked and talked.
Yeah. Okay. I know. Let's go.
The junior and Dr. Lee saw that SWAT had gone away and quickly broke into the room.
Sir, let's go.
Wow.
Dr. Lee was surprised when he looked inside. He was extremely interested in the weapons and stacks of money.
These things are nothing.
The three SWATs happily chatted at the cafe, unaware that their base had been broken into.
It is, sir.
Yeah.
It's a task very well. Good job. Good.
Boss.
The junior was happily holding stacks of money. Dr. Lee was still engrossed in the gun. He looked around and discovered something, so he called his junior over.
Hey, come here. Alright, suitcase.
That was the suitcase. Dr. Lee opened it, and inside were stacks of money.
Alright, take it.
Yes, sir.
Let's
Yes,
go.
sir.
They quickly took their guns and suitcases and left.
Hurry up. Alright, let's go. Move. Hurry up. Good.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
SWAT's three brothers sat for a while, and then stood up to leave.
Let's go.
Dr. Lee and his junior went out. The three SWAT men also returned to the base. Suddenly, SEAL X saw the thief and opened the door, but was too late. Ben asked SEAL X what he saw. He quickly told Ben and Jack to go into the room to look at the things. Ben and Jack took the gun and went to SEAL X. The three quickly moved to chase. Dr. Lee and his junior ran for their lives. The three SWAT brothers hurriedly chased after him.
This way.
Dr. Lee and the robber were running, and suddenly encountered two robbers blocking their way. They immediately ran to another street. Two robbers raised their guns and immediately shot and killed the boss's subordinate. The two robbers changed their target to shoot the SWAT men. The SWAT men and Jack were taken down by them one after another. Dr. Lee awkwardly found a place to hide. SEAL X helped Jack up. He only said a few words, then passed away forever. The two robbers split up to search. Dr. Lee hides behind the observation room. SEAL X chased and saw the robber stalking someone. Dr. Lee quietly put down the suitcase. He rushed out and shot the robber. SEAL X saw the robber running and immediately chased after him and shot him. The robber rushed out and shot the boss, injuring him. This war is still raging with no end in sight. Dr. Lee rushed out and immediately shot and killed a robber. The robber in the room ran out to call his accomplices. While he was not paying attention, Dr. Lee immediately took down the remaining robbers. Dr. Lee quickly took the suitcase and ran away. SEAL X also chased after. Suddenly, Dr. Lee turned around and shot, injuring SWAT. He quickly dodged away. The boss's weapon ran out of bullets, so he ran away. SEAL X looked out and saw Dr. Lee running far away. He was hurt and angry when he couldn't do anything. Boss Dr. Lee is being held captive in the SWAT base. The SWATs outside are guarding very strictly. One of Dr. Lee's henchmen moves swiftly. Two SWATs downstairs are patrolling back and forth to guard the base. The henchman slowly approaches the SWAT base, moving cautiously. Suddenly, a SWAT hears a noise and walks over. The henchman quickly turns away. The SWAT looks around but sees nothing, so he returns to his post. The henchman quietly advances and immediately kills the SWAT. Another SWAT sees his comrade standing motionless and goes to check. He calls out, but his fellow SWAT has already passed away. The henchman steps out and throws a knife at the SWAT, killing him instantly. He moves upstairs. A SWAT upstairs turns around and is stabbed by the henchman, dying on the spot. Another SWAT sees this and runs out. The henchman approaches, holding a knife to the remaining SWAT's neck. SWAT SEAL X is returning to his base on a motorcycle. What will he find when he arrives to discover that his comrades are no longer there? Stay tuned. The henchman kicks the SWAT over to where Dr. Lee is standing. The SWAT is in pain but can do nothing. Dr. Lee laughs triumphantly as the henchman unlocks his restraints. The boss takes a gun from the henchman. The SWAT tries to back away, but Dr. Lee shows no mercy, firing multiple shots that kill the SWAT instantly. The henchman removes his mask, throws it onto the fallen SWAT, and walks away. SEAL X's motorcycle passes by the car carrying Dr. Lee. SEAL X glances, but doesn't stop, heading straight for the base. SEAL X senses something is wrong. He enters the base and finds that all his comrades are dead. SEAL X moves upstairs, only to find more of his comrades lying lifeless on the ground. SEAL X's closest ally is also gone, and he is furious that he returned too late. SEAL X recalls how he passed by the criminals without realizing it. He turns and leaves determined to avenge his comrades. SEAL X searches for the criminals and accidentally spots them. SEAL X, filled with anger, draws his gun and slowly approaches the boss's base. SEAL X raises his gun and fires, instantly killing one of Dr. Lee's henchmen. The other henchman calls for reinforcements. SEAL X wastes no time and shoots the remaining henchman. The SWAT moves inside to search. More henchmen come down and shoot at the SWAT. SEAL X returns fire and takes down another henchman. Others come down and fire continuously at SEAL X, but he kills yet another of Dr. Lee's henchmen. The SWAT carefully moves upstairs. Another henchman steps out, but SEAL X is quicker and takes him down first. The battle between the criminals and the SWAT is far from over. Yet another henchman falls under SEAL X's hand. Another henchman rushes down and shoots SEAL X, wounding him. SEAL X pulls out another gun to continue the fight. Dr. Lee descends with the henchman. SEAL X rushes out and injures the henchman, who fires back, wounding the SWAT close.
Are you okay? I'll fight.
Dr. Lee leaves with grandeur, while the henchman advances toward the room where SEAL X is hiding. The henchman slowly searches for the SWAT. SEAL X suddenly leaps out and slams him against the wall. The henchman draws a knife to fight the SWAT. With intense training, SEAL X quickly overpowers the last remaining henchman. SEAL X remembers Dr. Lee and quickly sets off to find the boss. But by then, Dr. Lee has already fled in a car. SEAL X runs downstairs but cannot catch him. SEAL X is saddened that he couldn't avenge his comrades. He turns and walks away.